Good afternoon folks, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to learn about mushroom puncture repair. If you are having a tubeless tire, the problem is whenever you are going to go for the normal tire repair, what they do is they will punch a hole over here and then they will push a material which would be glued to it, but that's not really that effective and your tires get damaged. So Vijay Bhai will be letting us know how a mushroom tire repair is done. Let me first show you how it looks like. This is what the thing will be actually. First they will be drilling a hole over here, the point where the puncture is there. Then this will be pushed from inside, and this glue part will be stuck inside, so that whenever there is a pressure from inside, it won't really be going out. Bhai is technically roughening the surface so that it could be stuck over there. Should be cleaning the rubber dust, whatever was left over after saving that area off. And now obviously there would be gluing part. In case if you have tubeless tire, you should visit this place. It's I guess the only place in Gandhidham. Gandhidham में कोई और नहीं करता ना ये. So I guess if this is the only place in Gandhidham, and Gandhidham is kind of a tiny metropolitan, so in case if you are in anywhere in Kutch, you will not really be finding this facility. And I guess it's available at Hirani Tyre shop only, right? These people are like MRF's authorized dealer, and they only have this facility in whole of Kutch. So in case if you are landing over here and you find your tire flat, then go for a temporary repair and do come over here, because it's the only place where you can get it done. And this is the way it should be done, because in case if you are going for the conventional method, or the one in which they are doing it the way which is not really permanent, that would really hamper the life of your tire. So let's see, that's the next step. They will simply be pushing that mushroom kind of patch from inside. It has I'll show you one. It has a wire kind of attachment over here, so that could help it to be pulled out. And this patch, it has a sticky section over here, so it will be pasted over there. These people have been really very helpful to show me how it's done. Now it's completely stuck, and the last step is basically chopping off that extension that you have seen earlier, and that's it, it's done. There is no extra leftover over here. Cost you 150, and the regular puncher also it will cost you around 50 rupees, but then you will have to go again and again like to the tire puncher shop to repair it. So this is the best way to get it done. So that would be all for this particular video. I would really like to thank Ishwar Bhai and Vijay Bhai and Vinod Bhai. Thank you very much. So be it folks, that's all for this particular short session of Learn on the Go video. Have a nice day, build it, ride it.